Hello friends, in this video we will see what is computer program, what is programming language and generation of programming language. Now we will see the concept programming language. So what is computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. So basically, if you want to perform any task using computer, you have to give the instructions to the computer so that computer can perform that task. Computer will not perform any task on his own. For that, you have to give the instructions to the computer. For example, if you want to add two numbers, for that you have to create computer program using instructions. Once you give the instructions to the computer to perform addition of two numbers, then computer will perform the addition and gives the accurate result or output. So what is programming language? A programming language is a set of instructions, commands and other syntax used to create a computer program. An instruction means a particular order is given to a computer by a computer program. A command means a specific instruction is given to a computer to perform some kind of task. And syntax means the spelling and grammar of a programming language. Just like the English language, a programming language have rules for spelling and grammar. So basically, programming language is used to create a computer program. So now we will see generation of programming language. The first generation language, these are low level languages like machine languages. This type of language is written using zeros and ones, also called as binary numbers, and computer can understand this language directly. So whatever instruction given to the computer using first generation language has to return using combination of ones and zeros. For example, if you want to write the word BCA in machine language, you have to write 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So to write the character B, you have to write 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. To write character C, you have to write 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. And to write character A, you have to write 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. If you see the instruction which we are writing using zeros and ones, it is difficult to understand. Second type is second generation language. These are middle level languages like assembly language. Instead of using the combination of zeros and ones, the second generation language uses words similar to English language. For example, if you want to perform addition, you can write the instruction by using the word add. To store the value, you can use the word str. Third type, third generation language. These are high level languages such as C language. This third generation language are little bit easier than first and second generation language. To write the instruction, we use the words almost like normal English language. For example, if you want to print something on computer, you can use the word printf. If you want to scan something, you can use the word scanf. Fourth generation language. These are languages that include instructions similar to human languages. Fourth generation language are commonly used to store data in database. For example, if you want to create a database, you can use simply the word create database. The last type, that is fifth generation language. These are the languages in which you can use the visual tools which has some particular meaning. For example, if you want to submit something in computer, here instead of writing instruction, you can use button provided in the language. So first generation language is written using ones and zeros, that is in binary numbers. The second generation language is written by using few English words. The third generation language is written using words almost similar to English language. The fourth generation language is written using English language, and the fifth generation language instructions are created using visual tools which are already available in that language.